Hi guys, welcome to Asian Delights Kitchen, a food recipe sharing and inspirational channel. Today I'm going to share an easy strawberry banana yogurt parfait recipe that everyone can make it in just a few minutes. All you need is some plain Greek yogurt, fresh fruits, granola, and honey. I'm also adding some Osmanthus fragrance on top as I like the tiny little crunchy texture. Let's get started. Wash 4 to 6 strawberries and cut into thin slices. Slice half of a banana, set them aside. You need a glass container. An 8 to 12 ounces glass is perfect for me. I make Greek yogurt from scratch using Instant Pot all the time. It's always available in my fridge. For more details about how I made my fresh yogurt from scratch, please see my homemade strawberry yogurt drink video. I'll list the link in the description below. The reason I'm using Greek yogurt is for consistency. First, I put one layer of the sliced banana on the bottom. Gently add in 1 to 2 tablespoons of yogurt depending on the size of your container. Try not to touch the side of the glass for a better appearance. Sprinkle some granola of your choice. I'm using some almond granola. Then add some honey. I use raw honey because that's all I have at home. Then evenly put in a layer of sliced strawberries. When you add in the second layer of yogurt, use the bottom of your spoon to spread the yogurt over the strawberries. Turn your container like this to make it easier. The order of how you put in the ingredients doesn't affect the taste. You may do it any way you like. I like layers because I would like to have a bite and taste all the ingredients together along with different textures. The freshness of the strawberries, the sweetness of the banana and honey, melt in my mouth's yogurt, and the crunchiness of the granolas. So yummy. Repeat layering the ingredients up to about 80% of your container. Sprinkle some Osmanthus fragrance on top of the honey. Look at that color. Isn't it so appetizing? Here you have it, an easy strawberry banana yogurt parfait that is full of nutrition, good for digestion, immune system, and many more benefits. It is perfect for quick breakfast, snack, or party food if you use a smaller container. Try it at home for a lazy bright morning or make it with kids anytime. I hope you enjoy watching my video today. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. See you next time.